Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G72 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, you need to access Moto app. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner of it and tap on Personalize. Then you need to click on Fonts and tap on the best font style for you. You can see preview of all of them over here. In order to apply the best one, you need to click on this check mark at the bottom right corner and then select Home button. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!